Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the slow download speed on Telegram. So let's say you want to download this video, for example. So you can just right click on it or hold the click if you are on your smartphone and then click on save. But the download is going very slow. So the solution to that is very simple. You can just go into the search bar and then type file to link but and then here type enter. Click on file to link bot here or file to link bot right here. So both of these work. I don't recommend using the others. The two first ones should do the trick. So click on start here and then you can go back to the video that you want to basically download. So click on forward and then here forward it to the file to link bot and then click on enter and then here try downloading the video again and you will see that it will be much faster. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.